In this video, I'm going to show you the core web vitals. The name itself implies that this is really important related to search engine optimization, where you will be able to analyze if there is something wrong with your website or web page. Now, I have discussed this a little bit in the past in one of the previous videos, but just to give you an idea that if an agency, a client, or your organization or your boss approaches you that to figure out if there is something wrong with your web page or website, this is one of the tools that you can utilize here. Now, in order to do that, all you have to do here is look for core web vitals in the left navigation bar. And when you click that, there's not much of data here, but only two things will open up: your website's accessibility or your website's insights on the mobile as well as on desktop. Now, related to how your website is performing, it will show that how many poor URLs are present on your website and how many URLs need improvement and how many are good. And similarly, the same thing will appear for the desktop version. You can now go further into detail and see what exactly is going on. Now, here, when you do that, you will see that the 23 URLs that need improvement. Now, there one good sign is that no URL is considered poor in the website that I am analyzing right now. But it has 8 good, but 23 pages needs improvement or 23 URLs. Now, if for your business sake or for your website sake, if you feel that these URLs are really important for your traffic or for your business or for your service that need to be sold to people and it requires more visibility, then you should give it a priority and fix them up. Now, how you do that here? Look over here and you will find further insight why these elements or why these URLs need improvement. And the issue here is largest element LCP issue longer than 2.5 seconds, which means that there is a video or a image or some element on the web page or website or that URL. It is taking longer than the averagely required time of 2.5 seconds, which means that after 2.5 seconds, customers or audience or visitors, they just move away, they get distracted and they no longer want to stay on that web page. So that's why Google has considered this as a bad experience or as an average experience, and our goal should be to make our web page better than average. So that's where you can see what things you can do. We can talk about it further as how to find out those elements that are taking longer than 2.5 seconds, and maybe we can reduce the size of their file and then do something about it. So this is how you can go into the core web vitals. This is so important because mobile is one of the basic things Google will be looking at. And in these core web vitals, you will get all this information. Now, you option have to go back. You can open the report for the desktop version. And now few items that it says that there are issues and we can fix that. Now here there is an indication that is asking me if the validation has started. When I click on it, if I have fixed this element on my website, again, I can validate it, click on it, and I'll get an email that validation has started. So means that Google is going to reconfirm or verify if what I am stating is actually true by crawling my website and see if the issue still exists or has been fixed. So this is how you can use core web vitals in your SEO strategy, as this is really important to figure out what's going well and what's not going well, and that can be fixed regarding your web page, URL, or website. In this video, I'm going